Today we are going to discuss about the call by value and call by reference in C language. Actually, there are two methods to pass the data into the function of C language. One is call by value and another one is call by reference. See the picture. The original value is there. It is modified if you are using call by reference, and it is not modified if you are using call by value. This is the principle behind these two methods. Before that, the actual parameter and formal parameter, the two terms are used here. They are nothing but the actual parameter is the argument which is used in the function call, whereas the formal parameter is the argument which is used in the function definition. You may know the difference between the function call and function definition. Function call is nothing but just calling the function from the main function or somewhere else. Function definition is the actual function you are going to define the coding. Okay, so the actual parameters are the arguments that are available in the function call. While you are calling, you are sending two arguments, means they are called as actual parameters, whereas they are in the receiving end. In the function definition, we are having two more corresponding parameters. They are called as formal parameters. Okay. So in call by value method, the value of the actual parameters is copied to the formal parameters. In other words, we can say that the value of the variable is used in the function call in the call by value method. Okay. And also in call by value method, we cannot modify the value of the actual parameter by changing the value of the formal parameter. And the third one is in call by value, different memory is allotted for actual and formal parameters. Okay. So these are the three differences between the call by value and the call by reference. The first one is the value of the actual parameter are copied into formal parameters. Second point is we cannot modify the actual parameter by modifying the formal parameter. And the third point is different memory allotted for actual and formal parameters. Okay, these are the three main differences between the call by value and the call by reference. We'll see one example, then you can understand better. This is the
Sir,
yes.
presentation is not clear, sir. It's blurred.
For all the students, or
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir,
sir.
for
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
everyone.
So from the beginning, it
so
was blur.
now it is okay or same thing?
So same thing.
Okay, you do one thing. It is clear for me. You just refer the file available in GCR, call by value and call by reference in C.
So unit 3, right?
Yes, unit
Or
3. No,
yeah,
this is separate
separate.
separate file.
Sure.
Call by value and call by reference in C. It is a Word document. I already uploaded in GCR. You just refer it. I give 2 minutes time. You just search and refer it. Because in my screen it is okay for me. So in this example program, we are going to swap the two values. That is I hope all of you open that file. Is file available or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just to open it and go to the program. First call by value example program. That is, I think it is in third page. Sorry, in second page itself it is having. So in this program, example program, we are swapping the two variables. Okay, it is more or less similar to your arguments with no return value discussed in the last class. Okay, I think two class before we discussed the categories of functions. In that, one category is called functions with arguments and no return value. Likewise, it is available. Okay, here we are passing the arguments, but there is no return value from the function definition. Okay, actually the motto of this program is, if there are two variables, you can swap the value of the two variables by using the function called swap. And for that, we are first using the header file stdio.h as usual. Then we declare the function void swap. It contains two arguments, int a, int b. This is prototype declaration or function declaration. Then in function main, we are declaring two variables, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. And we just print the two values before swapping. Then we just call swap a comma b. Here a comma b is the actual parameters. With respect to this program, swap a comma b. Now in line number 9, swap a comma b is there. Here the a comma b in this place is called as actual parameter. Okay. Then control goes to the actual function in the 13th line. It executes by line. You can declare one temporary variable temp. Then you can exchange the two values and print the value in the 19th line itself. That is after swapping values in function a equal to b equal to. Here a and b are called as, in this function a and b are called as formal parameters. Okay. So again we print the same value in the 10th line, but there is no change in the value, because as I told you earlier, it is not possible to change the actual parameter even though if you change the formal parameters. It is one directional, not bidirectional. Okay, this is called as call by value. We already discussed the same example, function with the arguments and no return value. That is called as call by value. Then next one is called call by reference. The same thing, the same three differences we already discussed. The first one is, in call by reference, the address of the variable is passed into the function definition. Okay, from function call to function definition, the address of the variables are passed. If you change the formal parameter that is affected, which means that, by the way, you can change the value of the actual parameter. Suppose if you are changing the formal parameters within the function, then correspondingly the actual parameters values are changed. Then the third point, both sharing the same memory. In the previous case, separate memory, whereas in this case, both formal parameters and actual parameters sharing the same memory location. Okay. We'll see the example. Sorry. The same swapping of two values in the two variables. In the second line, we are declaring function prototype or function declaration. Actually, we will see this in detail in pointer concept. Now, just to remember, you just declare after the data type or before the variable name, you put one star. Actually, this is the pointer declaration. You don't worry about that. We will discuss pointers later. At present, just insert asterisk sign before the variable name, both int A and int B. And as usual, the same program. But in ninth line, you are swap the same function by using the address of A and address of B. In the previous case, you just swap simply A and B, that is A comma B. Whereas now we are using address of A comma address of B. That is, we are passing the entire address to the function definition. Okay. Then in the function definition, in the 13th line, as usual, you are using the same second line, int star A comma int star B, and using temporary variable. In that 16, 17, 18 also, you have to use the pointer variable star A and star B for swapping purpose. Okay. Then you are printing the value after swapping. 10th line again you are printing the value. But now the 19th line and the 10th line values are same. See the output. First A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Whereas after swapping A equal to 20 and B equal to 10. Again A equal to 20, B equal to 10. Whereas in the previous program, we are having first line and last line are same. The middle line is different. The middle line is executed within the function. First and last executed in the main function. Whereas in the second program, second line and the third line are same. Whereas the first line is executed in the main, that is different. Okay. I tabulated all the differences between call by value and call by reference. The first point is, because it is an important differentiation question, call by value, a copy of the value is passed to the function. In the address is passed. Here actual parameter is available in the function call. Formal parameter available in the function definition. Changes made inside the function. That is, we are changing the formal parameter. Actual parameters are changed. In the right side, it is not changed. Again, in the fourth point, actual parameters and formal parameters created different memory locations. Whereas in the right side, share the same memory location. Okay. Any doubt?